Hi guys, today we will talk about how to report conversation on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to your profile on next window here like you say. Then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and sorry, we will go back and all you have to do is just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this window here or your messages window here in messages, and it's going to show for you window like this. So you will find your people or Annie when you talk with him, and you just click here. We will click here on this shot for example. Then we will just go up here, you will click, then it's going to show this window for us, and you just click here on report these conversations, and it's going to take you to another window, and here you give them the reason why you report conversation, and it's going to report this conversation on your Pinterest app. Thank you for your watching.